Good morning, this is Adam from City Kitchen and Bath. We'll be starting a new kitchen project here in Fairfax. We have plans and permits. Guys are already here, they are inside covering up. And then we'll start the demo. We'll knock down a couple of walls and remove the cabinets and haul away the appliances and all that. And after that we'll move forward with the planning phase of the installation. Let's go inside. Ese es por este lado 96 refrigerador, gabinete, backsplash y clothing shelf. We'll be increasing height of this wall to fit 96-inch cabinets. Right now it is 84, and then we'll be moving gas range from here to here, and we'll be cancelling the window, and then we'll be redoing the hardwood floor. We'll refinish it and repair it, and then we'll extend the peninsula just a little bit, and then we'll move microwave from there to here and add dedicated line, and above the range we'll add a dedicated hood. We would like to remove a couple of walls here, and we'll see what's in there. Let's see, hopefully it's okay. We opened up the ceiling. On the right side there was nothing, but on the left side there is a toilet drain. But of course we don't want to just remove the half of it. We'd like to have the flow inside the house. So that part we'll leave it alone, but on the right side there is only a pipe for the bathroom sink. We'll relocate that and we'll remove the wall, and the rest of it is good. Inside the kitchen area there is pipes again for the upstairs bathroom on the right side, so we'll not be removing those too. We'll just shrink the box and build the kitchen there. Hi guys, we are here in our countertop shop to show you guys our kitchen, how we are cutting the stone, polishing it and preparing for the installation. Let's go inside. Here's our final day. We are done with the project. We'll give you a little tour of what we have done here so far. Here's our cleaning station, push button for the disposal. On the right side, we have the trash can, and on the left side, we have the dishwasher. And here we have our cooking station. We built a very functional cooking station with exhausted hood. Here for the utensils, here for the spices, olive oils and things like that. And on the back side, we want to create a little bar area that can be functional and also beautiful. And on the left side, right here, we had a pantry which has 4 rollouts. Top one is taller than the bottom, so we can fit here cereals and things like that, the bigger bottles, and at the bottom cans and things like that. So on the top side we have the shelves for the plates, for all other utensils. And on top of the refrigerator we used a 24-inch deep cabinet, because when it's 12-inch it's very difficult to reach. So with this you can store anything you have that extra and you are using maybe once in a month, twice in a month, that can be used for that. And here for the refrigerator we made sure we used a filler on the side, so when we open this it can open comfortably and it won't hurt the wall or it won't hurt the refrigerator door. This part wasn't in the actual drawings, and down the road we wanted to add this part as a coffee bar area too. We ordered additional cabinet, cut the stone, did the backsplash, run the cables, connected with the inside the kitchen, and added under cabinet lightings here. On the peninsula, we added overhang here, so you may sit down and comfortably enjoy while giving company to the person who is cooking. And then you may sit here and your knee is not going to touch the backside. And here on the left side, we added an outlet. You can charge your phone, you can charge your laptop, speaker, anything. Here on this side, we open up the wall so we can get the light from that side to the dining room, and from this side to the living area. And same thing for here too. We would like to get the lighting and open up as much as possible so we can give the bigger look for the house. So this is the end product.